Hello there, and welcome to MarkSharks. In this episode, we welcome some students and their parents to our headquarters to congratulate them for excelling in their studies by using MarkSharks. These students are the top performers on our app, and through our analytical database, we reached out to them and invited them to MarkSharks headquarters to ask them how their experience has been using MarkSharks and how we have helped them improve in their studies and scoring high marks in their exams. We congratulated some standout performers who have made major strides in their studies through using MarkSharks. Sarthak Rathore, a Class 7 student who has been using MarkSharks for only 3 months, has started to score over 90% in his examinations and school tests. Congratulations, Sarthak! Jigyansh Sharma and Nitya Sharma are siblings. Jigyansh is a Class 7 student and his sister Nitya is a Class 9 student. They have been using MarkSharks for the last 2 months and in that short span of time have decided to stop their offline tuition classes and use MarkSharks exclusively for their self-study, as they find our app to be more than sufficient in covering their course syllabi, homework, and helping them score high marks. Congratulations, Jigyansh and Nitya. All in all, we also invited the top 2 performing students of the month from classes 7, 8, 9, and 10 who have been using MarkSharks. We wanted to congratulate and reward these fine students for putting their faith in MarkSharks and improving through using our app. Our co-founder, Mr. Vinit Khanna, also connected with us on this day remotely from the United States to thank the students and congratulate their parents for joining hands with us in helping these young minds be the best that they can be. Mr. Khanna also encouraged them to continue using MarkSharks and make even greater strides in their studies and career development. All our students were recognized in our Felicitation ceremony for scoring high marks in their school and on our app. It was a proud moment for MarkSharks as we shape young minds into properly learning concepts and applying them through our many interactive features. The results were plain to see, and then we asked the students and their families some questions regarding their experience using MarkSharks. Why did you choose MarkSharks?
मैम मेरा एक्सपीरियंस उसमें अभी तक तो बहुत अच्छा रहा है। वो ऐप में जो आपको जो विजुअल लर्नर होते हैं उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा है कि वो बिल्कुल अलग अलग ग्राफिक्स दिखाते हैं और कॉन्सेप्ट को लर्न कराने में गेम्स भी खेलते हैं उसमें, तो बहुत अच्छा ऐप लगता है मुझे। तो वैसे
मेरे को ऐप बहुत अच्छी लगी और उससे मतलब मेरे में इम्प्रूवमेंट भी है, मैं खुद देख रहा हूँ और मैं अपने दोस्तों से बोलना चाहूँगी कि इन्हें भी जो थोड़े वीक हैं उनको भी करना चाहिए।
What changes are you seeing in your child since they have started using MarkSharks?
This MarkShark module is very helpful to our childs and upcoming next generation childs also. Definitely, I have shared this app and shown this module in my office. We discussed about the children's education and other things. So we have introduced that we have purchased this module for particular the science and math improvement of my kids.
जब मार्कशार्क के एग्जीक्यूटिव सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव आए, थोड़ा बताया उन्होंने। एक तो जो टॉपिक था उनका एक सिंपल सा, उसको जो जिस लेवल पे उन्होंने समझाया वो बच्चों के साथ साथ पेरेंट्स जैसे मुझको भी बड़ा अच्छा इंटरेस्टेड लगा और समझ में आया।
तो उन्होंने जितना मतलब सिंपल तरीके से समझाया ना, इतना अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और हम हस्बैंड वाइफ उसमें इन्वॉल्व हो गए करने के लिए।
Would you recommend MarkSharks to other students?
मैम क्योंकि इसमें मतलब आपको जो डाउट्स होते हैं वो अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाते हैं और यहाँ पे बहुत मतलब इजी वे से पढ़ाया जाता है, जैसे कि स्टेप्स बहुत इजी होते हैं पढ़ने के। मैम पहले तो टीचर से अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं रूट का एक पॉइंट पे और दूसरी बात मैम जो स्लाइड्स हैं, ग्राफिक्स हैं, उससे बड़े अच्छे समझ में आता है।
क्योंकि मेरे कुछ ऐसे दोस्त हैं जो उनको समझ में नहीं आता मतलब ज़्यादा, तो मेरा मार्कशार्क यूज़ करेंगे उनको मतलब कि डिटेल्स में पढ़ सकते हैं ज़्यादा और मैथ्स में भी।
And there you have it. The proof is in the pudding. And today's events proved beyond the shadow of a doubt that MarkSharks truly works in helping children improve in their studies through our interactive learning methods. What's more, children enjoy studying through MarkSharks and retain more while studying for comparatively shorter sessions. So what are you waiting for? Try MarkSharks for 1 week absolutely free and see for yourself how MarkSharks can help young students be the best that they can be. You can download our app by simply clicking the link below this video in the description box or call us at our customer care number, which is 011 408 44778. You can also reach out to us at help@marksharks.com. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram to view our further content as soon as it is released. That's all for now. See you again soon. MarkSharks, learning by doing.